In the ever-evolving world of search engine optimization, backlinks remain a crucial factor in determining a website's authority and ranking. As we step into 2024, the importance of high-quality backlinks has only grown stronger. These digital votes of confidence from other websites signal to search engines that your content is valuable, trustworthy, and worth recommending to users. But what exactly are backlinks? Simply put, they are incoming links from one website to a page on another website. Think of them as citations in academic papers. The more reputable sources that reference your work, the more credible it appears. However, not all backlinks are created equal. In fact, low-quality or spammy backlinks can do more harm than good, potentially resulting in penalties from search engines. That's why, in 2024, the focus is squarely on building high-quality backlinks from reputable, relevant sources. From guest blogging to broken link building, from creating link-worthy content to leveraging relationships, we'll cover it all. Guest blogging has long been a staple of effective link-building strategies, and in 2024, it continues to be a powerful tool when done right. The concept is simple. You write a high-quality article for another website in your industry, and in return you get to include a link back to your own site, but the benefits extend far beyond just acquiring a backlink. Guest blogging allows you to tap into an existing audience. By contributing valuable content to a respected site in your niche, you're exposing your brand and expertise to a whole new group of potential customers or clients. This increased visibility can lead to more traffic, improved brand recognition, and even new business opportunities. To make the most of guest blogging in 2024, start by identifying high-quality sites in your niche that accept guest posts. Look for sites with engaged audiences, good domain authority, and content that aligns with your expertise. Remember, the key is to prioritize quality over quantity. A few guest posts on highly respected sites will be far more beneficial than dozens on low-quality blogs. Broken link building is a clever technique that has gained traction in recent years. The premise is simple. Find broken links on other websites, and then reach out to the site owner to suggest your content as a replacement. It's a win-win situation. You help improve the web by fixing broken links, and you gain a valuable backlink in return. In the world of SEO and link building, content truly is king. In 2024, creating link-worthy content remains one of the most effective ways to naturally attract high-quality backlinks. It's all about providing value, whether that's through in-depth information, unique insights, or practical solutions to common problems in your industry. One type of content that consistently attracts links is comprehensive, authoritative guides. These are long-form pieces that cover a topic exhaustively, becoming a go-to resource for anyone seeking information on that subject. Another effective approach is to create content that leverages data and original research. This could involve conducting surveys, analyzing industry trends, or compiling statistics from various sources into a single, easy-to-reference resource. Visual content also plays a crucial role in attracting backlinks. Infographics, in particular, continue to be highly shareable and link-worthy in 2024. Tools like Canva or Pictochart can help you create professional-looking infographics, even if you don't have advanced design skills. Section 5. The Skyscraper Technique, Reaching New Heights. The Skyscraper Technique, popularized by Brian Dean of Backlinko, remains a powerful link-building strategy in 2024. This technique involves finding popular content in your niche, creating something even better, and then reaching out to sites that linked to the original piece to suggest your improved version. To implement the Skyscraper Technique, start by identifying a piece of content in your niche that has performed well in terms of backlinks and social shares. Tools like Ahrefs or BuzzSumo can help you find such content. Once you've found a suitable piece, analyze it closely. What makes it popular? What information does it cover? Most importantly, how can you make it better? The goal is to create a piece that is undeniably superior to the original in every way. With your improved content ready, use a tool like Ahrefs to find all the websites that have linked to the original piece. Then reach out to these sites with a personalized email, explaining that you've created an updated, more comprehensive version that their readers might find valuable. Section 6. Building relationships for better backlinks. In the world of link building, relationships are everything. As we move through 2024, the importance of building genuine connections within your industry cannot be overstated. These relationships can lead to natural, high-quality backlinks that are far more valuable than those obtained through cold outreach or automated methods. Start by identifying key players in your niche. This could include influencers, bloggers, journalists, and other content creators. Follow them on social media, engage with their content by leaving thoughtful comments, and share their work when it's relevant to your audience. Attending industry events, both virtual and in person, is another excellent way to build relationships. These events provide opportunities to meet people face-to-face or screen-to-screen, exchange ideas, and form connections that can lead to link-building opportunities down the line. Remember, the best relationships are those built on reciprocity. Be willing to help others, and they'll be more likely to help you when the time comes. Section 7, Quality over Quantity, the Golden Rule. In backlink building, quality trumps quantity. Search engines now prioritize quality and relevance. A link from a respected site carries more weight. Tools like Moz and Ahrefs measure site authority. Niche backlinks are more valuable than unrelated ones. Editorial links are the gold standard. Section 8, Leveraging social media for backlinks. While social media links are typically no-follow, meaning they don't directly pass SEO value, they still play a crucial role in a comprehensive backlink strategy for 2024. Social media platforms offer unparalleled opportunities for content distribution, relationship building, and indirect link acquisition. When leveraged effectively, they can significantly amplify your link building efforts. First and foremost, social media is an excellent tool for content promotion. When you create a piece of link-worthy content, sharing it across your social channels increases its visibility. The more eyes on your content, the higher the chances that someone will link to it. Social media also provides opportunities for direct engagement with influencers, journalists, and other potential linkers in your industry. Platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter are particularly valuable for B2B link building. Section 9, The Role of Infographics in Link Building. As we navigate through 2024, infographics continue to be a powerful tool in the link builder's arsenal. These visual representations of data and information are highly shareable, easily digestible, and can convey complex ideas in a simple, engaging format. When created and promoted effectively, infographics can attract a significant number of high-quality backlinks. Start by identifying a topic that's both relevant to your industry and interesting to your target audience. Once you have your topic, focus on design. An effective infographic should be visually appealing, easy to understand, and on-brand. If you don't have in-house design capabilities, consider hiring a professional designer or using tools like Canva or Venngage. With your infographic ready, start by publishing it on your own website with an embed code that makes it easy for others to share on their sites. Then, share it across your social media channels and consider submitting it to infographic directories. Section 10, Local SEO and Backlink Strategies. As we delve deeper into 2024, local SEO continues to grow in importance, and with it, the need for locally focused backlink strategies. For businesses targeting specific geographic areas, building high-quality local backlinks can significantly boost visibility in local search results and Google Maps listings. One effective strategy for local link building is to get involved in your community. Sponsor local events, participate in charity drives, or offer your expertise for local workshops or seminars. These activities often result in mentions on event websites, local news outlets, and community blogs, all of which can provide valuable local backlinks. Another powerful tactic is to leverage local business directories and review sites. Ensure your business is listed on platforms like Yelp, TripAdvisor, and industry-specific directories relevant to your area. Collaborating with other local businesses can also be a fruitful strategy. Section 11, Measuring Success, Backlink Analytics. As we wrap up our exploration of backlink building strategies for 2024, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of measuring and analyzing your efforts. Without proper tracking and analysis, it's impossible to know